Laid back, uncovered. Understanding the phrase. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might hear quite often, laid back. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it confidently in your conversations. Originally, the term laid back has a literal sense. Imagine someone reclining or lying down, relaxed, without any stress. This image can help you visualize the kind of vibe or feeling the phrase is trying to convey. It's all about being calm and not overly worried or tense. In everyday English, laid back is often used to describe 1. People, he's so laid back. Nothing seems to bother him. 2. Places. The beach town had a laid-back vibe, with everyone just chilling and enjoying life. 3. Situations. The party was laid back. Just a few friends hanging out. The term suggests a relaxed, easygoing nature, whether it's a person's demeanor, the atmosphere of a place, or the vibe of an event. Understanding synonyms can give you a broader sense of the word. Here are some common synonyms for laid back: relaxed, easygoing, chill, unhurried, calm. Each of these words can be used in different contexts, but they all convey a similar feeling of ease and lack of tension. To help you grasp it even better, let's look at a few more example sentences. 1. Despite the pressure at work, she remains laid back and handles things smoothly. 2. I prefer laid-back vacations where I can just read a book by the beach. 3. It's a laid-back cafe. They don't mind if you sit for hours with just one coffee. Using laid back in your sentences can give your listeners a clear picture of the relaxed nature of what you're describing. And there you have it. Next time you hear someone describe a person, place, or situation as laid back, you'll know exactly what they mean. It's all about being relaxed and easygoing. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, always stay curious and keep learning. Cheers!